Hello, in this video, I'll be showing you how you can navigate the Healthstack platform. So I'm sending you this video if this is your first time using the app, or if we're retraining your hospital staff to be able to efficiently use the platform to streamline your workflow at your hospital and to improve operations. Yeah, so you have to ensure that you have login details. So this is my login detail, and I am logging in as an admin to the hospital called Maybach Hospital. So I'm going to log in. I successfully logged in. When this comes up, check your saved passwords. Just simply close. This usually comes up when you have saved your password to your browser, which I strongly advise if you are using a private or a self-owned device. Otherwise, you can just write your password, somewhere you can easily uh, find it. So awesome. So now this is what you see when you log into the Healthstack platform. This is called the landing page, where you are welcomed, to Healthstack, and then you are told to have a good, wonderful time. And usually, if you have any new notifications, you find here telling you you have three new notifications, you have one notification, or you have no notifications at all. Here you can find the name of your hospital. So this tells you you are actually logged into the right hospital. You will find that this is your hospital's logo as set up by the hospital admin or myself if I onboard you myself. Also, this button here, as you can see, is a support button. It helps you to quickly reach out to us here at Healthstack or to our support team if you have a complaint or you have an issue you're strongly struggling with whilst using the platform. I strongly advise that you, when sending a complaint, always ensure that you enter the right subject and you enter a description for your complaint and you click on submit complaint. That helps you to make us understand by merely looking at the list, what your complaint really is before we click and we respond. This button here is a notification button. It tells you that you have uh, a notification, more than one notification, or no notification at all. You can see here that it says two, meaning that I have two notifications waiting. So if I click on this, I'll find that, okay, I'm being notified that a new product was added to inventory. I was also notified that there's a new on-site follow-up appointment. So there's an appointment that was scheduled for a patient, and that appointment is for 15th of April, so at 12:45 a month ago, and I never clicked this. So I could just click on this to remove that notification, or I could click on it like this to view, to take me to where that particular notification is pointing me to. I hope we get the gist. So back to our landing page, I'm still trying to show us, how to navigate the Healthstack platform. Remember, if we do a quick recap, I said that this is the name of your hospital. You would see the logo of your hospital here that was used to set up your digital hospital. You will find a button here, to make a complaint to our support team. You'll find a notification button here that tells you the number of notifications you have. And this profile here is the profile picture of my user account. So I'm logged in as me. And if I click on this particular picture, I have options to remove the picture, I have options to change the picture, and I have options to view my profile. I also have an option to log out. I'm not going to do that, so I'm just going to click on view profile. Once I click on view profile, I can see my name, my last name, my address, my email address, the one I used to log in, my phone number, my profession. So I'm an IT support person, an admin. I'm in the admin position at the hospital. I work in the IT department, and I work at the IT admin departmental unit, right? I can easily change my image by clicking on it and then selecting um, this. So let me quickly change this. I don't have an image to use, but let me, okay, let me use this one. I think it's the same picture. So this is me selecting a picture and I click on upload image and it uploads the image. Oh, my network, I have a network error, so I couldn't upload. So basically, what happens is this: setting up your profile picture helps you to personalize, your account, so that when someone is interacting with you on the platform, they can easily know from the picture whom they're interacting with, even without seeing your name or your last name. You can also attempt to change your password by clicking on change password. Once you enter your old password, you enter a new password and you click on update password to complete the process. Finally, another thing you can do is to set up a signature. For a feature that we're working on is that for every document that you create, you would be able to append your signature, making these documents, quite really very legal, so that they can tell that, okay, I personally endorsed this document, and then it makes a lot of sense for other people. To create a signature, you can actually draw up your signature with a pen and paper, snap it and upload it, or you can draw a new, um, you can click on draw to draw a new signature. What you need to do is, press down, hold down your cursor and write your name or draw your signature. It's that simple. Click on save signature to complete the process. And we've successfully updated our signature. The last thing you can do is edit your profile details. You can change your name, assuming your name is not correct. So let's say my name is spelled Tony, as in Toni, as against Tony. And I'll click on update details to complete the process. The only thing you cannot update is your email address. Please let me take that again. The only field that you cannot update is your email address. If you attempt to do that, you will be removing yourself from being able to access the platform any further. So let's do a quick recap. I introduced you to where you can find your hospital name, telling you, okay, you're at the right place, your hospital logo, your support button, your notification button, and then how you can manage your profile. After that, I also showed you how you can set up a signature, change your password, and edit your profile details. The next thing I'm going to talk about is the side menu here. What this shows you is a list of modules that are made available. So once you are assigned a role at the hospital, you will be assigned any one of these um, modules. What you will not get is a long list of modules like this. If you are a doctor, you will get assignment to clinic, to ward, and peradventure you're a surgeon, you get assigned to theater. If you work in the pharmacy department, what you get assignment to is pharmacy module. If you work only at the pharmacy store, you'll be assigned only store inventory. If you are involved in the business of transfers or making requisitions, as the case may be, you will be assigned any of these and more. If your duty involves dispensing products or dispensing prescriptions to patients, you'll be assigned dispensary, right? So you'll be assigned modules as it concerns your role. If you are in the front desk, you'll be assigned the client module and you'll be assigned appointments. If you are a top management staff, you'll be assigned analytics because you need to generate reports. Now, for now, our report is a premium access only type feature. So for now, reports is not available to everybody. For everyone gets to be assigned to communication because it's important for everyone to communicate. For chats, you'll be able to chat with staff at other different locations. So let's say, for instance, I work in the front desk and I need to ask about the result of a patient from lab. All I need to do is start a conversation with someone that works in the lab. So do I have anyone that works in the lab here? No. Okay, so let's say I'm trying to make inquiry about an X-ray image. So I'll click on this person that works in the who is our X-ray technician. Excuse me. And I'll start a conversation with that person. Also, you can manage, you can send out emails from the platform. Simply click on your email source and enter your email, the subject of your email and the address you're sending that email to, and then you enter the body of that email. Another thing you can do is manage your notifications from here. You can see all your notifications, new and old. You can delete or you can just ignore. And then you can send out SMS. Again, SMS is another premium only because a feature currently available for free, which will be making premium access only shortly. But for SMS, you can send out an SMS by entering the subject, type in a phone number or search the patient's phone number from here, enter the body of the message and send an SMS. In the future, you'll be able to send out birthday messages, anniversary messages, or welcome messages, or any other promotional messages automatically, from the SMS area. So this is how you use the Healthstack platform. In the next video, I'm going to show you how you can work from the front desk as a front desk personnel using the Healthstack platform. Thank you.